So your last example here for 3.3 is going to be how you find a mathematical model. If you notice as you go through here, you have the pebbles dropped in a calm pond causing ripples in the form of circles. So the table below gives the radius r and the area A of your outer ripple in feet. Next we need to find the equation. So we need to figure out first what kind of model would best describe our information here. Well, if you notice on your x values, which is your r's here, each of these are adding a 0.6. So you go from one to the other, plus 0.6, plus 0.6, plus 0.6, and on and on and on. So those have a pattern. Now in order for this to be linear, then your y's would have to have a similar pattern. They don't have to be going up by 0.6, but they have to have a common pattern in between them. So if you go from here to here, you are adding a 397? I don't know. Is that right? 393? 393. If you go from here to here, that is not going to be a 3.393. So we can't say this is a linear model. Your values do not go, or they go up, but they never come back down. So this looks like this can't be a quadratic either. So the only thing we can really say is this is going to be an exponential model. So what we can do is you're going to go to your calculator and you are going to plug in all of these values into your stat. So you plug all these in. I already have them in here for you, so you may have to just pause this and type them in, make sure you get the same thing I get. And then if we want to find an equation, an exponential model, you hit your stat button again. You don't have to graph this, you just hit your stat button. And then you're going to go to the right one for your calc menu, and then you need to go down to 0, which is an EXP-REG. EXP-REG, exponential regression. So you hit enter, and we go into our list 1 and list 2. So you hit calculate, and we have the form y equals a times b to the x. Our a is a 0.9205, so we're going to write these in here. So we're going to say y equals 0.920. Sorry. Oh man, that was, oh, isn't this supposed to be green? Just kidding. I can't tell. I just sneezed all over somebody's jacket. I don't even know whose jacket that is. Oh dear. Oh, whoops. Sorry, crab. Anyway, there's your A. So you plug in this in for your B. So you're going to have 3.1343. 3.1343. And this is all to the power of x, because your model is y equals a times b to the power of x. So you keep you keep your y and x, plug in for a y and a b. So we're gonna have, this is your solution, and you could find future areas of your circles by plugging in more x values. So if you want to figure out if your radius was 10 feet, plug a 10 in for the x, take 3.1343 to the power of 10, multiply by 0.92, and then you get your area. So I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed the 3.3 notes. I know I did until the major sneezing and guru sharing here at the very end. So make sure you get your WebAssign started, and I promise you, you will love your WebAssign assignment. Peace.